Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about how to take care of your health in winter season. And as you know, in winters our hair will become very weak or it becomes very dry. That's why very easily they break in winter, because in atmosphere, in skin, everywhere dryness increases and hair also becomes very dry. So let's see what Ayurveda will say how to take care of your hair, especially in winter season. So first we discuss about the most important thing that is needed for hair in winter. That is oil. Which oil? The best oil is saturated oil, that is coconut oil. In winters we need more fat for our hair. So the best oil to apply in winter is coconut oil. And how you can apply coconut oil? Because whenever we apply coconut oil, pure coconut oil if you are applying, this gets solidified in winter season and it's very difficult to melt it. It's not in melted form. So how to apply this very thick coconut oil, as I am saying? So best way to apply this coconut oil is take this coconut oil in some bottle or some glass bottle or in some plate or in crockery or in any vessel, and put this oil for heating in the sun during the daytime. And once this oil get heated up, apply on your hair during daytime. This tip is not only for woman hair, it's also for men's hair, because hair dryness happens to both, to women also and to men also. It is very important that we take care of our hair by applying coconut oil. One day you apply, and after that what you do, because if you put oil in your head, it can make your pillow cover bad. So what you do, before sleeping, cover your head with something. Any linen cloth is best to cover, because it is not uncomfortable for sleeping also. So you cover your head after application of oil with some linen cloth or very pure cotton. So this way if you will cover it, it will not disturb your sleep. And next morning, how to wash it? If you don't have any time, you can just wash it as it is with some herbal, some natural shampoo. Or if you have time, then what you do, take a towel, put it in hot water, make it very hot so that the steam will start coming out of this towel, and apply your hair, cover your hair with this kind of towel for 5 minutes, and you will see a different kind of relaxation for your hair, and your hair growth will become so good. In winter, even people will start asking what you are applying on your hair. Really, it happens. So what you do, you apply this towel for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes just wash your hair with any kind of natural shampoo. And this way you will see hair will become healthy, strong and totally oil free. So next day you can go to your party or your office or with your friends or anywhere, or even you can stay at home, but then you will not feel your hair as much dry. They will become beautiful and healthy. So this is one thing of Ayurveda that we can use to make our hair beautiful. Next thing is what to eat to make our hair health better. So what are the things that we can eat in winter to make our hair health better? So first thing in winter that we can eat to make our hair health better, that is carrot. Carrot is very rich source of vitamin A and it's very beneficial for your hair. As I mentioned many times, try having more salads, more fruits. In salads include carrots. Carrots are very beneficial for your hair growth. At the same time, it will also make your eyes beautiful. Another winter thing that you can eat in winter for your hair growth, that is almonds. So how you can eat almonds? At night you can soak almonds, 3, 4, 5 almonds, and in the morning remove the outer peel of the almonds and then eat it, and throw the soaked water. Don't drink that water. That water is not good for health. And regarding these dry fruits and nuts, I already have created many videos. You can go through my channel and see what are the videos, how to eat nuts and how not to eat. This will help you in understanding these nuts in more detailed way. In addition to that, what else you can eat in winter season to make the hair health better, that is sprouts. Sprouts are very beneficial for your hair health as they are rich source of proteins and natural source of proteins and vegan proteins, so you make use of it for the health of your hair. Take daily any green gram sprouts will be good, or any sprouts of your choice. Regarding how to make sprouts, we already have created videos, so again you go through my channel and see like how we are making sprouts, and these sprouts are also very beneficial for your hair growth. So among more as you know, vitamin C is very beneficial for your hair. So what is the best source of vitamin C in winter? That is Indian gooseberry, that is called Amla officialis or Amla. So this Amla is very beneficial for your immunity, and it is very beneficial for the hair growth, especially hair follicle growth. So make use of Amla, Indian gooseberry. It is very beneficial for your hair. So how to eat it, when to eat it, because it's very sour also, but it contains all the 5 tastes. And the good thing is, after having Indian gooseberry, if you want to drink water, you can drink water if you feel it is very sour. And when you will drink water, you will feel like the taste of water after having Indian gooseberry, it's more of little of sweeter, on the sweeter side. And that's the benefit of Amla, because it contains 5 rasas. So these are very beneficial for your health, for your immunity. You can have them during afternoons while sitting in sun, you can eat it. In addition to that, what else can be done for the health of your hair? That is, do pranayama. More oxygen if entered in your hair, it is more beneficial for the health of your hair. It will make the hair very strong. So make sure, like, spend some time, minimum 21 minutes for pranayam practice, any kind of pranayam. Or if you are doing Shambhavi Mahamudra, you can do that, or if you are doing Sudarshan Kriya, you can do that. But you just give some time for any kind of pranayam practice. Even Anulom Vilom is very beneficial for the health of your hair. In addition to that, what is the best hair mask in winter, like for hair protection? Because in markets, if you go there, very costly masks are available, and if you are going through damaged hair, many times we are not able to even purchase it because the price is very high. So what is the cost effective and very beneficial hair mask? That is, you take 2 spoons of coconut oil, 2 spoons of honey and 2 spoons of aloe vera. You mix it well, like very well, like it becomes a very white colored paste like this, and just apply this paste on your hair. Leave it for 20 minutes, and after that wash it with lukewarm water, and you will see the amazing results. You need to do it just once or twice a week. This will give you full protection to your hair during winter season, and your hair will not feel any kind of dryness. I hope these tips will help you. So that's all for today's video, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Also, those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on the given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.